Hey everyone, how's it going? So today I want to show you guys how to draw a zebra face. Now, to start off with this, we're going to start with the eyes. So I'm going to put a small little circle over here and then one over here as well. And you can kind of make an oval shape or kind of angle these. So I'm just going to draw, we'll go with more of like an oval shape that just kind of goes in. Then I'm going to leave some space and I'm going to do the same thing over here. So we're just going to make a nice little oval shape that just kind of goes in. Now right above here I want to add two little curved lines. So I'm going to put one above this eye and then I'm also going to put one above this eye for the little eyebrows of our zebra. Now we want to begin with the nose of our zebra. So I'm going to start here and I'm going to draw a line that goes in and then one that goes in here. It's going to get kind of close. So I'm going to start here and draw one that goes in, and then I'm going to do the same thing over here. Just kind of draw one that goes in. It looks a little alienish right now, but that's okay. Now I want to make the nose of our zebra. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by drawing a line that curves out and in, and then I'm going to draw one that goes out and in over here. And then I'm just going to add a little curved line underneath it. Now, right over here we want to add the cheeks of our zebra. So I'm going to start here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down and over. So we're just going to go down and then in. And then right over here we're going to go down and then in. Now, right inside of here, I'm going to add two little curved lines for the nostrils of our zebra. And then underneath here, I'm going to add another little curved line just for the mouth. Next, we want to make the head. So I'm going to start by drawing a little line that just curves up, and then it's going to come back to here. So I'm just going to draw a line that curves up, and it's going to come down. For the ears of our zebra, the ears are going to be kind of rounded and they stick up towards the top of the head. So we're going to start here and I'm going to draw a line that curves up. It's going to come around like this and then just curve back. And we'll do the same thing over here. We're just going to go up, we're going to curve around, make them nice and round, and then just bring them right back to the head. Inside of here, I'm going to add a little sad face towards the bottom, and then a little curved line that goes right around. And this just adds a little bit of detail into the ear of our zebra. Next, we're going to want to add the neck. So, the neck of the zebra, it's going to start up here by the eye, and then it's also going to start here towards the nose. So we're going to start here and just draw a line that curves down. And then we're going to start here by the nose and draw another one that curves down. Now, zebras have kind of like a long mane that goes down their neck. So we want to start it up here. So the first thing we want to do is kind of give them a mohawk. So I just like to draw two little lines that curve up. And then I just like to make a little zigzag line that goes right to here. And you can see I went past this line all the way to the ear. Then I'm just going to continue this zigzag line down to here. And this just kind of shows where the mane is going to be. So now this is our basic shape of our zebra. Now we want to add some different details. So we want to add the detail in the eyes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a big circle inside of here, and then a little small one towards the top. And then I'm just going to color in that medium circle that I made. Now I want to come in here and I want to add some details onto our zebra, and mainly our stripes. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to make a little zigzag line right across the nose. And I went kind of high up because this is mostly black down here. I'm going to add a few curved lines onto the side of the zebra's face for some stripes. I'm going to do the same thing on both sides. And then I'm going to draw some stripes that go right down to the nose. So I'm just going to kind of start right by the eye, and I'm going to draw 2 lines that go down. You can see that these stripes start a little bit fatter up here and they get skinnier down here. I'll do the same thing over here. And then I'm just going to add a few more stripes in here. Some of these are going to get kind of close, and that's okay. And I'm just going to kind of fill up some stripes on my zebra's face. Then I'm also going to add some little stripes going down here, and I'm just going to make these stripes go from the top to the bottom of the neck. And there you go. Here is your simple drawing of a zebra face.